Today, as we celebrate and gather together to remember and honor the life of Dr. Pilarica Ejercito, our hearts are filled with sorrow and deep gratitude. Pilarica was the eldest of one, and the eldest among us were 10 children of Emma. The acronym Emilio and Maria or Ejercito and Marcelo, as concocted by my brother, President Mayor Estrada, Joseph Estrada, which he used as the name of his film production company, MR Pictures. When our mama passed away, she naturally stepped into the role of a second mother to all of us. She carried that responsibility with quiet devotion. Most of our brothers and sisters have already gone before her, joining our mama and papa in eternal rest. She would always remind us, Pilarica always says, apat na lang tayo, the eldest being her, and the youngest, my sister Marita, the youngest sister Marita, they're both youngest they were among the 4 girls, and the youngest among the boys, and the youngest of all. We came together with quiet, in the days surrounding her passing. We witnessed something truly profound. The second generation of the Ejercitos, our nephews, nieces, and grandchildren, led by Senator Jinggoy, Jackie, and General Jude, came together with quiet strength and deep love. They prepared, arranged, and with quiet strength together. They cared for everything, not out of obligation, but out of love for their Aunt Pilarica. Their ninang who filled their childhood and adulthood with warmth, guidance, and affection. Up to her final days, and even her passing, the love she came throughout her life returned to her 100-fold.